What's good in the hood, y'all? It's your homie back again with another video.
My style, untouchable when I'm in my zone, I'm gone.
And today we're gonna be working on the Camaro. Once again, I'm going to be showing you guys how I bleed the brakes. So let's get it. For this job, what you're gonna need is this tube, which you can find on Amazon. I think it's 3/4. I'll find the right dimensions and I'll put it in the link down below for you guys, make it easier. You're gonna need a makeshift water bottle. Just poke a hole through the top so you can put one side of the tube in so it can collect all the old fluids, and some tools, which I'll show you later. Now, to make one of these, all you're gonna need is a screwdriver. Doesn't matter which one. Simply poke a hole through it. Just be careful. Just like so. It'll be easier if you had like a bigger screwdriver. But not to worry, use a flathead. Now you take the end of your hose, kind of like work its way in. Yeah. If it's too big, probably some more. Bada bing, bada boom. I've been pushing it all the way down so there's no leaks in between. And what's cool is that you can reuse this water bottle, or just throw away the water bottle and reuse the cap. Saves you a lot of money. First off, what you want to do is break it loose. You want to break the lug nuts loose with your breaker bar, must have, and then you can use whatever you want to unscrew the rest. All right, after you broke the lug nuts loose, get your floor jack it up, and then remove the bolts. Nice spot. I like to use this block for more leverage and safetiness. Alright, now you get your jack stand, set it underneath for more protection. This is also a great time for you to inspect your tires, just in case. Yeah, I'm gonna need some new tires soon. I got this cool portable tire pressure thingy-mabobber right here on Amazon. Inflates the tires and also pumps the tire up. 2-in-1. Hell yeah. You can also plug it into the wall or in your car. I'm plugging it into the wall. Put in the PSI recommended for your vehicle. In this case, mine is 37, so I'm gonna put 37. Right now it's at 36, pretty good. You just start it up. And there she blows, literally. That's what she said. It's gonna automatically stop, and you can unplug that and do the rest. Oh, I forgot to mention. So to start this project, what you wanna do is you go from your right rear wheel, then your left rear wheel, then you're gonna go to your front right wheel, then you end it off with your left front wheel. So a reverse Z, there you go. You just look for a rubber boot. You remove that. Right there, that's the nipple, and you just take one side or your free side of your tube and you stick it in there. And after that, you're gonna use one of your wrenches. I forgot what millimeter it is. You're gonna unscrew that just a little bit, just to open the flow, and you're gonna have a second person to help you out, and they're gonna be inside the vehicle stepping on the brake. This is my helper right here.
Hi.
Thanks, Bubs. Let's get it. Not yet. I'll let you know. It's a 10 millimeter. Can you guys see that? Get your makeshift bottle. All right. Plug that right in there. God dang it. Get in there, bro. That's what she said. Yeah. Perfect. Now you got that all set up. Now you just ask your partner to step on the and hold it down while you release this valve, and then the fluid should be running out. You do it like 3 times until you see like clear, or not clear, but like once you see the color of the fluid change, that's when you know, okay, that's a better fluid, better brake fluid. And also another thing to remember is when you're doing this, make sure your brake fluid in the front under the hood doesn't go lower than minimum. Basically, don't let it dry out, because that could potentially damage your system, and you do not want that. All right, so top it off every wheel that you do. This job right here is the same thing for your other side and your fronts. So I'm gonna just show you guys how to do this one. Call it a day. All right, let's get it. All right, so you pop open your hood and it should land right here. That is your brake fluid reservoir. Sorry, right there, .3. So that's what you're gonna be using. So what you want to do is go do a quick Google search or go into your manual and find the right fluid for your vehicle. In this case, since I have a Chevy Camaro, which is a GM, I gotta use this one right here. Give me 1 second. Sorry guys, I got the radio right here so I can contact Bubs and she can contact me. So I'm using a Delco, AC Delco, whatever it's called, I don't know, but this is good for GMs and that's what I'm gonna be using this on. Let's finish this job, right guys? Let's do it. Don't mind my garage, I'm still trying to clean up and stuff like that. I doubt, okay, don't be judging out here, okay? All right, so now you're gonna have your partner pump the brakes 3 times. I don't know if you're supposed to do that, but I did that for the Maxima and it worked perfectly. So I'm gonna have her do the same thing. Okay, Bubs, you can pump it 3 times. You good? Okay. And then now you release the valve. Okay, you're good. Thank you.
Did it work?
Yeah. After that, you tighten it. What I gotta do right now real quick is cut this piece because it's ripping. So I wanna be careful. Take that out. Back to the shop. The fluid is actually pretty, not that bad. Actually, it's kind of bad. And you just want to repeat the process. Pump it. You good?
Yeah.
Step on it again. Let go. You want to open it up so you can get some air in, so that way it can flow better. Now what you want to do is get your funnel, or if you're really good at pouring, go ahead and pour this in. And you just gotta repeat the process. So once that is done, you wanna tighten this bolt. Don't over tighten it. Afterwards, you take this little rubber piece, put it back on. We're gonna put the wheel back on and you're finished. And that, my friend, is how you bleed the brakes on your 2011 Chevy Camaro or any other vehicles. It's the exact same thing. But remember, you always want to start the furthest away from your master cylinder, which is underneath the hood, as I showed you earlier. And yeah, just remember that part. The reverse Z's, it goes from your right rear to your left rear to your front right to your left right, like that. Okay guys, if this video helped you guys out in any way, please smash that like button. Smash some ass. Subscribe to your homie for more content like this or anything else I do on this channel. Yeah guys, also I'm gonna put on the wheel. When you do that, torque it to its specification. In this case, it is 140 foot-pound. I have a torque wrench, but yeah, y'all get it. Yeah guys, if you guys have any more questions, leave a comment down below and I will be reading it and I will reply to you guys. And yeah man, with that being said, y'all be safe, keep it breezy, and I'll see y'all in the future. Deuces. And remember y'all, stay safe, wear your goggles, wear gloves, and clean your hands after when you're done. Take a shower, bro, cause you stink. All right, y'all, late. I got new lugs, by the way. I got these off of Amazon for like, I think 20 bucks maybe, for a whole set, as in all 4 wheels. So you want to hand tighten these, make sure it's flush. And then you're gonna drop the jack and tighten it 140 foot-pound. They are not going anywhere. And we did it.
My style untouchable. When I'm in my zone, I'm gone. You're calm, but there's my support. When I shoot them down, just smoke on the spot.